All right, guys, we have an open box of Dewalt half a gallon wet and dry vacuum. I really love this tool. Let's open it and let's see what comes inside. This one seems to be easy to open this time. So let's check them out. Shouldn't be that bad, so it's pretty easy though. That's it. Nothing else inside the bag except the instructions on how to use it. But hey, this is very reliable. If you need like a portable vacuum, but you don't want to have this huge vacuum, carrying my vacuum around. It does come with the filter. Make sure every time you use it, and for dry purposes, put the filter on. It will make a much difference. When you're doing anything wet, take the filter out, so you don't have to be changing this filter every now and then. Let's try it. So I have this battery right here. Let's see, I got full battery right here. Let's connect it, put everything back. I promise I will buy me a tripod for future videos. I know this hand managing, it's not working. So let's see. Comes with this security paper. And it works pretty good.